Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to create AOL Mail Account. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the web browser on a device and go to AOL.com. Here, tap Login or Join at the top right. You are now taken to the sign-in page. Tap Create an Account. It is now time to fill in your login details, so enter your first and last name. Next, create a name for your new email address and create a password. Also, select the appropriate dialing code and enter your phone number. Now add in your date of birth and your gender, but it is optional. When done, tap Continue. Here, tap Text me a verification code. This will send a code to your phone number. So, enter the verification code and tap Verify. Finally, tap Done. So that's how you create AOL Mail Account. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.